Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to share 5 acrylic tips for beginners. While painting Radhakrishna in the background, it is very easy to paint in acrylic color as there is no chance of making mistake. And also you can paint on just about anything. Step number 1 is begin with 5 basic colors, that is primary colors. It is best to learn how to use your primary colors well right from the beginning. With these 5 colors, that is red, green, blue, yellow and white, you can just make any colors or shades under the sun. Plus you will get the opportunity to learn a lot about color theories, which will make you better painter overall. Step number 2 is work in layers. First you have to add the basic layer and then you can do the detailings on it. Always wait for the layer to dry on before painting on top of it. If you don't, then you will get a muddy mess and won't get the layering look that gives the beautiful depth to your painting. Step number 3 is wash brushes regularly. It is very important to look after your supplies. If you don't wash your brush after painting, then you'll end up destroying it. Step number 4 is to get your water consistency right. It is very difficult to get right at the first time for beginners, but this is the key element to successful artwork. Sometimes there is too much water or too little, and this is normal. Just keep in mind that the right amount of water is needed in order to create your desired looks and textures. Play around and experiment until you get the right. And step number 5 is to use 2 jars instead of 1. Yes, you heard it right. One of the simplest and most beneficial tip I can give you is to keep 2 jars. 1 cup of water to rinse your brushes with once you are done with colors, and 1 cup to dilute the paint and moisten your brushes when you need it. I personally use 2 jars whenever I work with the acrylic paints, and I found it really important and really beneficial for making art. Also, one more thing you can do is just go and watch the color theory, color mixing tutorial. You'll need to learn the different color theories and color wheels. Also, you should know how to differentiate warm colors and cool colors. So these are all 5 tips which I think are very important for beginners to learn how to paint, and for beginners who want to learn about acrylic colors, these are really important tips. And that's all from my side. If you have any questions, then do ask me in the comment sections, and enjoy the full Radhakrishna painting tutorial.